Namaste and good afternoon to you all. My dear students, I hope all of you are fine there. And once again, I would like to welcome you on the Social Studies class of grade 4. And you might have seen the topic over here, right? So, today we are going to discuss on the topic our tools. Okay, my dear students, before entering in the topic, let's know what are we going to do today. Okay, so as you have seen over here, I have pasted a chart, right? And there something I have written which is related to our topic. So we will go towards the chart and know what is written there, right? And after that, I have some more pictures to show you and we will discuss about the pictures too. Right? Are you ready? Okay, very good then. Now, before having discussion on the topic, let me do some revision of our previous class. My dear students, do you remember what was the topic of our previous class? What was it? Okay, very good. The topic was my neighbors. Do you remember? Very fine then. Okay. In that class, we have already known many things about the people, neighbors. Yes, from that class, we have come to know who are neighbors. Yes, why are they important? Isn't it? What types of work do they do? Isn't it? Do you remember or not? I am sure that you have remembered it. Okay then, from that class, we have come to know that our neighbors are doing different kinds of works, right? And to do their work, they might be using different tools as well. So, for today's class, it will be oriented about the tools which are used by different people, right? So, to make you more clear about it, let's move towards the chart over here. Okay? My dear students, let's see here. I have written the topic, our tools. So, before doing other activities, you have to know what means the tools. What do you mean by the tools? So, for you, I have written here definition of tools as well. Can you see over here? Okay, let me read for you, okay? Tools are the instrument or simple piece of equipment that we hold in our hand and use to do our different works. Okay, listen carefully, my dear students. What are tools? Okay, tools are the instrument or the small piece of equipment which we hold in our hand and do different types of works. Did you get it? Okay, once again, okay. Tools are the instrument or a simple piece of equipment, right, which we hold in our hand and do different types of works in our daily life. Are you clear? Okay, I hope you are clear now. Then you can think some of the tools which you have been using in your life too. Okay, in your day-to-day life. Right. Then listen here. Now you know what the tool means. Yes. Now the benefits of using tools. As I have told you, in our daily life, different types of tools we have been using. Not only we, all the people use tools. Okay, so why we need to use tools? What benefits are there? What advantages are there? Let's know about it, right? So here I have list out some of the benefits of using tools, right? So here at first it is written that make our work easier. Okay, the benefit of using tool is that it makes our work easier. My dear students, you have to understand, okay? If we are using different types of tools, then we can do our work very easily. Think, okay? You can think, even you yourself, you like small students, yeah? You are also using different types of tools to do different work, right? So, let me give some example, okay? So, do you use your pen or pencil to write? To do your classwork, homework in your notebook? Yes, you can take pen or pencil as your tools. Think, okay, if you do not have pen or pencil, then how do you write? Will you be able to write with your finger? No, obviously not, isn't it? So, it will be very difficult for you to do your writing activities if there is no pen or pencil. Yes? So, tool help us to do our work easily. Are you clear? Okay, very good. Now, let's move towards next one. Save our time and effort. Effort means energy here. My dear students, if we are using tools, then what happens? We can save our time and even effort means the energy to do some work. Yes? By the help of tools, we can complete our work faster, easier, right? Okay, the next one is also here. Help to complete our work perfectly. Yes or no? Yes. By the help of tools, we can complete our work properly, perfectly. For this also, I would like to give one example, okay? Do you know nail cutter? Yes. Do you have at your home? Yes, why not? Everyone has, yeah? So, what is the work of nail cutter? Why do we use it? We use nail cutter to trim our nails, right? Everyone use nail cutter to trim their nails. Yes? And if there is no nail cutter available, then what to do when the nails are very longer, very dirty nails? Will you go biting by your teeth? No, never. You should not do like that, isn't it? So, when the nails are very longer, we can trim it very perfectly with the help of nail cutter, right? Okay, then I hope all of you are very much clear why we need to use different types of tools while doing different work in our life. Are you? Very good then. Now, here down you can see some examples of tools I have written here, which are needed in our daily life, right? See here, nail cutter, as I have just given the example. Yes, and I have told you why is nail cutter very important. Why should we use nail cutter, right? Next one is there, C-O-M-B, comb. Yes, comb is also a tool. Are you using it? Yes, why not? To manage your hair every day, right? Okay, next one is there, brush. Yeah, brush is also a tool. It is used to brush your teeth, clean your teeth, isn't it? If there is no brush, then how to clean? By the finger only? It will be clean? Maybe not, isn't it? So, brush is very helpful tool for us to clean our teeth, right? Next one is the pen. Okay, pen and pencil I have already talked. It is very important for like you student to do your writing activities, to draw pictures sometime. Pencil is used. Yes? Next one is here, scissors. Do you have scissors at your home? Yes. Why do you use scissors? To cut some paper, to cut cloth, isn't it? For cutting purpose you use scissors. It makes us easy to cut something, right? Next one is also here, hammer. Have you seen hammer at your home? Yes, most of you may have hammer. Your father might be using to fix some nail on the wall somewhere by the help of hammer. Right? Okay. Next one is here, knives. You have seen it. Or some bigger students, you might have used it also. When do you use it? Okay, while chopping the vegetable. Right? Or even fruits too. Okay, next one is here, eraser. This is also an important tool for students like you. If there is some mistake, some errors in your writing, you use it. Right? Okay, next one is here, spoon. Have you seen it? Yes, why not? Every day you might be using it. Plate. Isn't it? These are also your tools, which makes us easy to have your food. Right? Next one is here, broom. Have you seen broom? Which is used to clean your room, your house. And mostly your mother might be using. Yes? Even you also can use it to clean your room. If there is no broom, then it might be difficult for us to clean the room. We have to pick up all the dust and even the pieces of paper. It may take longer time also. Yes, so by the help of broom, we can easily clean our room or house. Right? Then, needle. Have you seen it? It might be at your home, everyone's home. Yes? Your mother might be using it sometime. With needle, there will be some thread, isn't it? And she might be putting some buttons on your shirt, uniform, isn't it? Okay, my dear students, these are the few examples of tools which are useful in our daily life. Yes? Okay. My dear students, you have to understand, tools are of different types. These tools which we have just discussed now, they might be used in our daily life many times a day also. Right? And there are other types of tools also. They can be called as occupational tools. Occupation, you know it, you have already read it. Yes, according to the occupation, people might be using different types of tools. For example, I would like to give my example. Who am I? What is my occupation? Teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. Yes, teaching is my occupation. So, have you guessed what types of tools I am using here? Yes, why not? I would like to show you, okay? I am using the marker. This is my tool to write on the whiteboard. Right? Whiteboard is also my tool. Next one is here, duster. As a student, you use eraser as your tool. I am a teacher. I use this duster to rub the board, to clean the board. Right? And I have a red pen too. This is also my very important tool. Yes, I used to check your work with this pen, isn't it? And even I use scissors, isn't it? Sometimes I need to cut some chart papers like this. So during that time, I use this also. This is also my tool. Yes, in the same way, now let's have a look at some of the pictures which describe you more clearly about the occupational tools. Okay, shall we move for it? Okay, then let's see the first picture over here. Can you guess what the picture is about? What occupation is going on there? What the man doing? Who is he? Okay, he is a carpenter, right? So, he is making there some furniture. He might be making there one table. Can you see? Okay, and by the side of man, some tools are there. Yes? He might be using hammer there. Some nails are also there. Saw is also there. Isn't it? These are the tools for a carpenter. Did you see? Okay, very good. Then next picture, okay? So, see the picture here. What the man doing? He is sewing the clothes. Yeah, and what the tools he is using? Can you guess? Can you see in the picture? Okay, very good. He is using a sewing machine. Yes, and on the sewing machine you can see a scissor also there. Yes, and some clothes are hanged there using some hangers, isn't it? Okay, these are his tools. Then the next picture is also there. Who is she? Can you guess? She is a doctor. Very good. And there you can see some of the tools of doctor also. Yes, she might have some cotton there. Yes, some medicine is also there, isn't it? And she is having a stethoscope around her neck. Yeah, that all are the tools of doctor. You can see it very clearly on the picture there. Yes. Now the next picture. This is the picture of a shopkeeper, right? Do you have shop around your house? Yes, why not? Do you used to go there? Yes, every day to get your daily use goods. Yes, then you might have seen what types of tools are used by a shopkeeper. Here also she is using a beam balance. Okay, she is using beam balance to measure the quantity of goods. And around her you can see some baskets are also kept there with some vegetables. That is also her tool. Yes? Okay. Then the next one, final picture is there for you. Can you see the picture? Yes. Who are they? Who might be they? Very good. They are farmers. Yes? And you can see in the picture, they are carrying their tools too. Yes, the man, he is carrying his tools, which might be used for digging the land. Spade he is using there. Yes, you can see on his hand, right? And the girl, she is also a farmer. Okay, she has carried a sickle on her hand, right? And on her back you can see a basket. It is called as doko in Nepali. Do you have doko at your home? Do your mother use it? Yes, very good, isn't it? And why? The girl might have used that. By the picture we can guess she is going to cut grass. Yes, so sickle is there on her hand. She uses it to cut the grass. And basket is there where she put the grass and she brings her home. Okay? Now my dear students, I hope all of you are clear about the tools like this. You have to understand, okay? In our day-to-day life also, tools are very important, isn't it? And for doing different occupation also, they are important. Yes? So, you have to get or you have to notice some tools around your house. Many tools you can see. And my dear students, let me tell you one thing, okay? Some of the tools are very harmful, very dangerous for you. Can you guess some name? Yes, very good. Knife, isn't it? Scissors, blades, yeah, these are harmful tool for you. So, while working with this type of tool, you have to be very careful. Otherwise, there may be some injury. You may cut your hand, isn't it? So, while using such tools, you have to be very careful, right? Okay, then finally, I have a work for you. I hope all of you will do it as your homework, as your assignment. Okay, just in the picture, we have discussed about different occupational tools. And we have already discussed, already known that the people or your neighbors who are around your house, they follow different types of occupation, isn't it? And today's work is there. I will give you a table, okay? Okay, you can make a table, right? And and listen here. Here you can write occupations. Are you getting? Okay, next side you can write tools. Okay, this is your homework, your assignment. So you can make the table, you can prepare the table, and what you have to do is that you have to think 5 of your neighbors having different occupation. Can you? Yes, why not, isn't it? Like some of your neighbors may be teacher, right? Some might be doctor. Okay, these are just example for you to make you easier. Okay, and then this side you go on writing the tools, occupational tools. Like in the first one, you can write the tools used by teacher, as I have shown you before. Yes, you have seen it. Okay, at least 4-5 tools you have to write. Yes, for next number you can go for the tools of a doctor. Yes, in this way, likewise, you can write other occupation of your neighbor, and according to the occupation, you have to write their tools as well. Okay, can you do it? Yes, it's very easy. I know you can do it, right? So, this is your assignment for today. So, before signing off from here, let's recall what we have learned today. Okay, we have discussed about the tools. Yes, and there are different types of tools. Some tools we use in our daily life. Yes, you have gone through the example also, we have discussed also, isn't it? And some tools are occupational tools also. It is related to different occupation. Yeah, different occupational people, they use different types of tools. And another thing we have discussed, why tools are important for us. Right? And lastly, we know that we have to use different tools to make our work easier and faster. But children like you should be very careful while using some of the tools, right? Which can make some accident, isn't it? So I hope you will do it. Okay? For today this much, and in next class I will come with next topic and we will discuss there. Till that time, be happy and stay safe. Thank you.